So hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se. Here I am with the new content, so you can improve your English speaking skills. If you've seen my last of dozen of video, then you can easily watch that I made very easy that how can a normal person and each and every person can speak English very fluently, because it's the most important and necessary thing in 2025. Now we are becoming to AI, so and it's time that next 5 or 10 years you're gonna just see AI. So it's really important that you become a very good English speaker. So here with I am with the English with some sentence, and now I will make each and every sentence so you can learn that how can we make and how can we speak to every sentence, that because every sentence has a many of sentence. I mean, you can create it's all about your creativity, it's all about your innovative mind, that how you can create this thing. Okay, so here are words and their spelling. So here you can see that easily that this time how can we translate to all the word. So okay, root, this sensor, wave, tow, sight, diffuse, desert, sever, see, light, burn, catch, canvas, refuse. So here I am, now I am making a sentence, so every word. So he root very strongly, I mean his upbringing is so strongly, so that's why his root is so powerful. Censor, he censor all the newspaper. You can see is all about this back bitching, and here you can see another word that it work. Censor. Okay, wave. He wave like this. Okay, I think he shouldn't hit his toe. I want to see new site, so I can make a new construction line. He diffuse him. He is in a desert and now he wants some water. Sever. He severed the body. He severed the head. He severed the hand. I want to see you. Just be light. Just light yourself. Don't be burned out. Catch if you can me. Catch. You have to catch this. Canvas. At least you should work at least 1 hour in a canvas. Refuse. He refusing. He won't take it because he doesn't like him. Look, every sentence now you can, each and every word you can make a sentence. So now today if you can see that there are some problem of light, so now I so if you look, I'm repeating you that it's so easily and you can make each and every sentence. Okay, look, only this is how you're gonna speak English and fluently, and just give at least look 10 or 20 minutes each and every day to my video, and then you can speak automatically fluently. Okay, so here you can see that he censor, he wave, he tow. So now I want to see that you just watch very carefully, and now you make that how gonna you translate in a English speaking, and how you can make a sentence. Here are a lot of words you can, lot of sentence you can make. Oh, he want to see him. He lied to others. Don't be burn out. He catch me. He canvas. He refuse. He deny. Okay. So now you can understand easily.